Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, we will learn how to create a classic logout button as shown on the screen. Before we start, if you are new here, kindly subscribe for more videos. Let's begin. Create your HTML and CSS file as I did. Add HTML boilerplate. Edit the title. Link your CSS to your HTML file. We used Fontum icon version for on this project. Let's use the CDN link. Copy the CDN link. Paste the link at the head of your project. Start your HTML from the body. We are done with HTML. Here is the outcome. Let's start styling, starting from container class. Our purpose on this container is to position our logout button at the center. Let's check it out. As you can see, our button is at the center. Next is our logout button with a class btn. Here is the new preview. Next is the logout icon, in which we used Fontum. Next is logout icon and the icon itself. Next is logout text. Next is adding button hover effect. Here is the preview. It is looking good now. Finally, we are done. Please, if you find this useful, kindly like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.